This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Carl Linnaeus. Carl Linnaeus was born on May 23, 1707, in Sweden. His father was a pastor, and his mother came from a wealthy family. From a young age, Linnaeus showed a strong interest in nature and plants. He later studied medicine and natural sciences at Uppsala University, where he developed his passion for botany. Linnaeus is best known for his work in botany, especially his system of naming plants. He created a method called binomial nomenclature, which uses two names for each species, the genus and the species. This system made it easier for scientists to identify and classify living things. His work helped lay the foundation for modern taxonomy. The binomial nomenclature system uses Latin names to classify organisms. For example, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens. This naming system ensures that each species has a unique name, avoiding confusion between common names in different languages. Linnaeus published these naming rules in his book, Species Plantarum, in 1753. Taxonomy is the science of classifying organisms into groups. Linnaeus developed a hierarchical system that organizes living things into categories such as kingdom, class, order, family, genus, and species. This structure helps scientists understand the relationships between different species. Linnaeus's taxonomy is still used today, with some modifications. Linnaeus wrote several important books during his lifetime. His most famous works include Systema Naturae and Species Plantarum. These books describe thousands of plant and animal species. They served as essential references for scientists and naturalists in the 18th century and beyond. Linnaeus's work had a significant impact on the field of natural sciences. His classification system provided a common language for scientists around the world. It allowed for better communication and collaboration in studying living organisms. Linnaeus's ideas continue to influence scientific research and education today. The legacy of Carl Linnaeus is evident in many areas of science. He is often called the father of modern taxonomy for his contributions to classifying living things. Many plants and animals are named in his honor, reflecting his lasting influence. His work inspired future generations of biologists and botanists. Linnaeus was also a dedicated teacher and mentor. He taught many students at Uppsala University and shared his knowledge of botany and natural history. His teaching methods emphasized hands-on learning and observation of nature. Many of his students went on to become prominent scientists in their own right. Carl Linnaeus married Sarah Elizabeth Moria in 1739, and they had 5 children together. He enjoyed gardening and exploring the Swedish countryside in his spare time. Linnaeus faced challenges in his life, including health issues, but he continued to work passionately in his field. He passed away on January 10, 1778, leaving behind a rich legacy in science.